In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the AI model in Perplexity AI. If you want faster answers, deeper reasoning, or just a different style of response, choosing the right model can make your searches more effective. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can switch models with confidence. First, open the official Perplexity AI website and sign into your account. Logging in ensures you have access to all the features available on your plan. If you're on desktop, you'll see the main search page right away. On mobile, the layout is a bit tighter, but the controls are in the same general places. Next, click on the search bar to start a new query. You don't have to type your full question yet. We're just getting into the area where the model settings live before you run the search. Now, look directly beneath or around the bottom edge of the search bar. You should see an option labeled Model. This is the selector that controls which AI will handle your query. It's easy to miss if you're focused on typing, so take a moment to find it. Click the Model drop-down to open the list of available AI models. What you see here can vary based on your plan, your region, and any current feature updates. Some models prioritize speed, others focus on accuracy and reasoning, and some are designed to be more cost-efficient. If a model you expect isn't listed, it may not be included in your current plan. Around the middle of this process, a quick note. Since this is a website, I've placed the official link to Perplexity AI right at the top of the description, so you can jump in directly from there. Select the model you prefer from the drop-down. Once you click it, your choice is set for the next query. There's no separate save button needed here. The selection applies automatically and you'll typically see the chosen model indicated near the search area. Go ahead and type your question and press enter. The response you receive will be generated using the model you just selected. For best results, be clear and specific with your prompt so the model can focus on what matters most to you. You can change models anytime by repeating these same steps before running a new query. If your needs shift, say you want something faster for a quick fact or more thorough for research, just switch the model and continue. That's it for changing the AI model in Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching.